Whittward Carver, Double-Slit Experiment. All right, gather round, you bunch of half-wits. Let me spin you a yarn about the most messed up experiment since that time I tried to make a toaster out of a fork and a car battery. Welcome to the flipping madhouse of quantum mechanics, where even the cats are dead and alive at the same time. I'm talking about the double-slit experiment. Buckle up, buttercups. 1. The setup. Picture this. You've got a beam of electrons, tiny little buggers, right? And 2 slits. Behind the slits, there's a screen. The electrons fly through the slits and hit the screen, making a pattern. Simple enough, yeah? Wrong. This is where shit gets weird. 2. Wave-like behavior. So, these electrons are flying through the slits, and what do you think happens? An interference pattern, that's what. Like waves, not particles. It's like they're doing the blimey tango on the screen. But Whittward, you say, electrons are particles. Shut your mouth. You're ruining the magic. 3. Particle-like behavior. Now, here's where it gets really screwy. You put detectors at the slits to see which one each electron goes through. Guess what? The interference pattern disappears and you get 2 distinct bands, like the electrons are saying, "Oh, you're watching. Let me behave like a good little particle." Mind blown. 4. The observer effect. This is the kicker, the real what the actual heck moment. The act of observing these little rascals changes the outcome. When you're not looking, they're all waves and shit. But the moment you peek, they're like, "Nope, particles now, mate." It's like they're playing the world's tiniest game of gotcha. 5. Interpretations. Now, scientists, bless their little hearts, have come up with all sorts of explanations for this madness. The Copenhagen interpretation says particles don't have definite properties until you look at them. It's like they're shy or some shit. And then there's the many worlds interpretation, which is basically the quantum mechanics version of it's all just a dream within a dream within a... Forget it. Pass the zoot. This experiment, my friends, is the cornerstone of quantum mechanics. It's like the crazy uncle of the science world, you know, the one who shows up at family gatherings and starts talking about how the government is controlling our minds with fluoride. It challenges everything we think we know about reality and raises more questions than a room full of philosophers on acid. So there you have it. The double-slit experiment, where electrons are schizophrenic little blighters, and observation is the world's weirdest game of peekaboo. And if you think you understand it, congratulations. You're officially as mad as a box of frogs. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go lie down and question the very fabric of reality. Cheers.